Engineering, when you really boil it down, is all about solving problems. That's what I like, the opportunity to tackle hard problems and come up with different and new solutions.
At Synapse, we work on everything from consumer to industrial products, small wearables, all the way up to big industrial sort of imaging systems and everything in between.
Collaboration is really big at Synapse.
Every project is interdisciplinary. There's never one team working in isolation.
You've got mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, software engineers, all working together.
There is significant pressure in the market to move product designs to market faster. So anything that we can do to be more collaborative, more flexible, and iterate more quickly is a big competitive advantage for us. I see Onshape as a tool that teams can use to collaborate on physical product designs.
Within my team here, I can just do a quick sketch in Onshape and share that model immediately with everyone who can look at it and rotate it around themselves and make their own edits as they want to. It's something that's really powerful and satisfying to do.
The active collaborating aspect of Onshape definitely lets you move faster. A lot of times in other systems, you have to wait for them to finish an entire next step, whereas if you're just working on a portion of it, in Onshape you could be working on those in parallel and reducing some of the downtime.
I see opportunities to push our designs further. Any opportunity we have to take time from other activities to devote to that means that we're going to be more competitive and deliver reliable, high-quality products faster. I am quite confident that Onshape understands engineers, understands the engineering process.
One of the things that I really appreciate is how responsive they are. They're obviously listening to their customers and trying to make it better. They understand what I'm talking about when I send them feedback requests, and that's really nice. Onshape has sort of opened the doors to more people learning CAD, which is really cool.
As a sort of mechanical engineer, I'm always looking to find really tough mechanical problems. And I love to see something I've worked on that's out in the field and people are using, whether it's a consumer product in their hand or whether it's an industrial product that's keeping systems running in the background that a lot of people may never see. You're making products that are getting out there and really changing how people interact with the world or how they use things.
Onshape is a very capable CAD tool. Get familiar with it and try sharing a design with someone else and working through that, and you'll see very quickly that there are a lot of upsides to converting to Onshape. So what I say to my peers is, go give it a shot.